I do already have mascara on, but that's okay. I'm gonna throw on this Mauve liquid shadow. Love these. I feel like they don't dry too quickly, but they will dry down. So if you wanted to wear them alone, I would just get them really, really thin. But if you want to wear eyeshadow with them, they're also great for that. But they will completely dry down, especially if you get them very, very thin across the skin, which is something I try to tell y'all all the time. I'm just putting a little on the back of my hand. That way we can just tap it up here as well. My cheeks are flared. I've been filming because I'm leaving for, well, when you're watching this, I will have been leaving LA, for LA, not leaving LA, leaving for LA tomorrow. So I've been trying to make sure I've got all this stuff filmed before I go. I'm almost out of these. I think this is one of my new favorite releases when it comes to skincare. It's backwards, so I'm gonna have a label, but they're the new soothing toner pads. I know the millennial and some of us hears the word toner and we think, you know what I'm saying, but these are so soothing and they fit perfectly exactly where my cheeks get flared and angry. So I cannot get enough of these. I'm going to purchase these. These were sent to me, but I'm going to purchase the next ones. I've actually been reaching for this palette way more than I thought. Something about the formulas are just so easy to throw on. And I love the shimmers. The mattes are easy to work with. The shimmers are lovely. And I just feel that it's a really fun, springy summer palette. So I'm really enjoying it. In fact, there's a story. I was actually gonna give this to one of my friends because she had had her eye on it. Well, I decided to keep it. But don't worry, I bought her one. I'm gonna skip sparkle today and just tap this color. Look how nice and pigmented that is. Just tap that color onto my lid. And there you go. Got us a nice little eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade. Did y'all hear that gopher? Shh, I can't do it again. Do y'all know who Gopher is from Winnie the Pooh? It happens, I swear it's this accent. Let me add a little bit more depth here. I just think they're so easy. I love them. And you know what? Let's do this cooler shade. I like that there's one really, really cool shade. This one's a little bit cooler too, but the gray is just really cool. Cool toned. I mean, it looks cool too. And then you can use it to cool down the warmth of this shade if you want to. It's fun. And I'm doing this all with an E29. Throw on a gel liner. I haven't done a all around black in a while. I thought that would be fun. Still gonna do, I think I'm gonna do wing liner too. So I'm just gonna take this for the eye separates, E26 ready to go. This is kind of how I've been doing my wings lately. And then smudgy, smudgy over this way. Once these start lifting, they're pretty much dry. My cheeks look so much better. I'm gonna do Lily Lashes self-adhesive. These are my little half lash. I'm trying to get a cat hair out of them. Can you believe that? Cat hair for my cat eye. Get on there. Let me give them a little clampity clamp. Just so you know, I usually put this green corrector on my chest. Y'all know my chest is always so red. And I like to use a C42. That way I get more coverage. It's the best. But on my cheeks, I actually use something, you can still see it here. I use something that stained me. So I am gonna put some on my cheeks as well. And here, really all here. You'll see it, I did this with a purple blush, a new one that I got. And it's a wonderful purple blush, but it did have a little bit of staining. But I made a foundation shade with it because I'm a menace. And I like to test my color theory knowledge. Okay, that looks better. I've been wearing Pebble in the new Estee Lauder formula. I've worn this over 8 hours now. At a time is what I'm saying, not 1 hour separately. But I'm not quite outdoor beige yet. I'm almost outdoor beige. I feel more comfortable in Pebble, but I do want to be reminded that with any long wear foundation and even the old formula, I did not go off of this swatch. I would wait for it to dry until I picked my perfect shade. So I know this looks a little sassy wild, but it does dry down where I need it to. And then I'm gonna film my concealer off camera only because I had a request on using the C32. I'm responding to a comment and using it really, really nicely. So I'm really excited to do that. I'm honored that y'all are asking about the brushes. Thank you for that. Okay, be right back. I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear 2.5C. And I did do a little bit of Peach Corrector. I did this MAC Peach Corrector. That's literally called Peach. I'm digging the new MAC correctors, by the way. So let's go ahead and get all this sassy set. I'm trying to decide what level of bronze I'm after today. I think I want to get maybe a little bronzy because I'm a menace. I picked up this LA Girl bronzer. They gave it to me. I'm always really mindful of that too. I feel like a little chatty right now, but when I always want you to know what's been given to me, what I purchased myself, what I'm repurchasing. I feel like as friends, that's important. And the reason I was even saying picked up instead of they gave it to me is because I visited their headquarters. Remember on my story? This is one of the things I grabbed in the little store. It was so cool. This is the shade Warm Caramel. This is a nice drugstore bronzer. Ooh, it almost reminds me of MAC Give Me Sun, but not as orange. Oh, I might be extra bronzy today. I'm enjoying this. Take a little there. All right, my friends, this is our finished look. I feel very sassy. I do have to wash this off because I've got some more stuff to film before I leave, but I'm glad it's documented. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed painting it. I really do. Thank you for being here. I love you with all of my heart. Until the next tutorial, bye for now. I told y'all I wanted a really dark lash line, so I'm gonna do this, tie it together. It's a brown, but it's a dark brown. Dog is snoring. I think he's dreaming again. And I'm taking this out of lashes. Black is on the waterline, and this is under the lashes. Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, Wherever Walnut. One of my favorite blushes, Tower 28 Long Beach Iced Tea. And I'm gonna apply it with this brush because it's just gonna be a little bit more diffused. It's not gonna pick up quite as much. Wait, can I put some across my nose? The sun naturally hits there. If you ever wonder what the blush on the nose, especially in this type of color, when we get into the more cool pink, sometimes it can just be more style and fun. But this color would actually make sense with bronzer. Not that I don't love the other one. You know I love all makeup. And then I was feeling real sassy, so I got out MAC Gel Lipstick. I think I've worn this lipstick since 2005 at least. It's one of my faves. But you gotta like a frost. And I like a frost.